Untrue, tell it, loud we yellin'. Get it about a pound, we just smoke, we don't sell it. Aye, what I blow up make the plane go. The bitches say you got some money, but you lame. We blow, get you plain gas on your lane. We blow, get you plain gas on your lane. We blow, get you plain gas on your lane. We blow, get you plain gas on your lane, man. Man, you so lame, just looking at you, nigga. While I'm in here, no bitch will give a pussy to you, nigga. No. She say now they ain't with a bank, bro. Cause the king get money when the bank close. Yeah, she in her heels on her knee though. Yeah, her nigga call, she don't lead though. Nope, I beat that pussy like she stole some. Then tell that hoe get up and roll some. We pouring oil, blowing gas, we noisy. She on that molly, won't stop talking, that annoy me. I'm like, why don't you suck a nigga dick or something? Or take it from behind while you eat a bitch or something. I like my bitches doubled up like my white cup. I like my pint sealed up, pint hold up. Yup, and you know you don't wanna catch it. You don't wanna see my niggas that get ratchet with them ratchet. Untrue, tell it, loud we yellin'. Get it about a pound, we just smoke, we don't sell it. Aye, what I blow up make the plane go. The bitches say you got some money, but you lame. We blow, get you plain gas on your lane. We blow, get you plain gas on your lane. We blow, get you plain gas on your lane. We blow, get you plain gas on your lane.
Jet fuel smoker, crazy like a joker. Suck it for you, fuck it, it's exactly what I told her. 10 bottles, 2 miles, push sack, it's a jet ride. Go and get my gangsta ass bitch off the west side. Baby daddy face looking long, better change that. Make a nigga drop some change on your lame ass. Buy more than smoke, spend that 100 after 100. Jumped out her throat and in her stomach, now she running. Me and my hitchman, we be gunning for the money, blowing jet fuel. We don't pay for pussy cause we fuck more than we rest, dude. I bet you that your main bitch a blessed boo. And every hoe hitter when they see me go break they neck too. Rich dick, then I done gave a bitch life support. High in the pussy, same way that I was high in court. Flip it, slap it, rub it down, finish, get it back up. Wash the dick off while she roll the cuss sack.
Untrue, tell it, loud we yellin'. Get it about a pound, we just smoke, we don't sell it. Aye, what I blow up make the plane go. The bitches say you got some money, but you lame. We blow, get you plain gas on your lane. We blow, get you plain gas on your lane. We blow, get you plain gas on your lane. We blow, get you plain gas on your lane. Man, if them bitches wanna blow, or the blow for the hoe who be playing what they know. Now you know, let the king all about the dollar bill. Quarter meal in the bag, slapping bitches on the air with dollar bill. Aye, you don't like that hoe, you ain't gotta chill in. Leave that laughing match and go back to where you lived in. Nope, but you don't wanna do that. How that hoe blowing on me with her trumpet or her flute at? I brought a pound and she blew that. See, he brought 2 back. Drunk up a pint of lean, ain't sleeping, man, who can do that? She dipping all that mighty steady, asking where the food at. You don't believe me, and my nigga Jesus, he can true that. I beat that pussy blue that. Man, I ain't gon' finesse it. Man, you know what I'm smoking, shout it, you ain't got to check it, you can smell it. This shit I'm blowing straight up out the deep flow. I ain't talking, but it loud when the weed low. Yeah, like the fresh up on the runway. Wheels up, we loud like gunplay. On the sucker nigga with they lame ass. The bus blowing train smoke, we blowing plain. Untrue, tell it, loud we yellin'. Get it about a pound, we just smoke, we don't sell it. Aye, what I blow up make the plane go. The bitches say you got some money, but you lame. We blow, get you plain gas on your lane. We blow, get you plain gas on your lane. We blow, get you plain gas on your lane. We blow, get you plain gas on your lane, man.
What you mean, why should you? I think a more appropriate question would be, why not? I mean, look around you. Exceptional circumstances require exceptions to be made. Would you not consider this exceptional? And the same woman would. But it's not so much who I am as what I am. A stand-up guy, man of respect. This life vow, you can't just go purchase and put it on, baby. Anybody say they can, they just putting on. Hey, you need to check this certification. I keep my paperwork.
I hope my words, they inspire you, spoke like a true leader. The first to admit life's more than two-seaters. Man, oh man, how my priorities fucked up. Remember nights of passing out in the Rari, too fucked up. My niggas say spin it cause you can't take it with you. Same time popping crystal, posing for picture. Oh smart ass nigga, half right and half wrong. Only problem is he's still here and the money gone. Oh me, oh my, give me a natural high when I think about the nights we threw them rollies in the sky. When I was so motherfucking clean on a need a tie. Every hater in the club was just wishing we would die. A hustler's life is filled with decisions he gotta make. Remember when I got the news, I was ready to cry late. When my living was about to break, lost religion and all my faith. I swear I seen the same shit happen to Shake. Can you imagine that look I had on my face? Saw my nigga laying still in a box with a waist. Got me feeling sick, feeling like I'm about to vomit. Guess the loss ain't shit if you don't learn nothing from it. Got me pacing around the room, yeah, NASCAR nigga. See my nigga sitting there to drive a fast car, nigga. I'm like, why you riding that? Them boys mysteries, nigga. Live real or die trying, it's still a victory, nigga.
Go right up here.